Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview stock and futures data. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step will be to access stocks and futures data. So you can access stock and futures data by clicking on the stocks or futures button on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 would be to customize your stocks and futures chart. So you can customize your stocks and futures chart by adding indicators, drawings, as well as other tools. Step 3 is to analyze stocks and futures market. So you can always analyze stocks and futures market using technical and fundamental analysis. The fourth and final step will be to use stocks and futures data to make trading decisions. So now that you have you've analyzed the stocks, you can just use that to make informed trading decisions, and that's going to give you better results. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview stock and futures data. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.